After Michael got shot, I started doing some research on coma patients, reading about case studies and talking to doctors, and they all said the same thing, that Michael's not in any pain, that he's just unconscious, so you don't have to worry about him being afraid.
I don't know what Michael's feeling any more than the doctors do. All I know for sure is that when Michael was born, I promised to protect him. And I failed.
What happened to him is not your fault.
I chose to fill his life with danger and violence, and this is what happened. And now his life's over, years before it should have been. There's nothing I can do about it.
Do you remember when we first connected? It was right after the fire in your motorcycle shop, and I thought that Lucky had been killed, and so I went to Jake's to drown my grief.
And I just gave up Michael. I felt like my life was over.
I still remember the conversation we had, how you described him, the way he crawled, the type of food he liked. The love you felt for that little boy was written all over your face. And I knew how much it hurt you to give him up.
I should have done it sooner. I was wrong. I tried to be Michael's father.
You were only doing what you thought was best.
You're just saying that because you love me. The truth is, I made a selfish decision. It cost Michael his life.
There are no words to describe the love a parent has for a child. It fills your heart, consumes your entire life.
He felt like my child, but he wasn't mine, he was Carly's.
For the first year of Michael's life, you were the only father he ever knew. You fed him, you clothed him, you rocked him to sleep at night. The fact that he wasn't biologically yours doesn't really make a difference.
To AJ, he wasn't there to help Michael take his first step or say his first word. I never understood how important those moments were until I missed them with Jake. And AJ missed out on so much of Michael's life because of a secret that I kept.
A secret that Carly asked you.
Yeah, well, it started out that way, but you know what? The more time I spent with Michael, the more I wanted to be with him. It became less about what Carly needed me to do. I wanted to take care of him. I wanted to raise him as my own. But he wasn't. I'm the one who set this whole thing in motion.
I'll tell you something you once told me. What happened, happened. You can't go back. You can only try to learn from it.